So we're down here in Greenwich in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're doing on this project is restoring all of the brickwork. Basically the customers had his builders take all of the Pebbledash off all of the brickwork and then realised that it's a bit out of their hands to restore all the brickwork. So what we're going to be doing is basically removing the last pieces of Pebbledash off of the front of this property. Then we're going to be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching London stock bricks. As you can see, many bricks going to need cutting out and replacing. So cutting all the bad bricks out, replacing all of them, then repointing all of the brickwork in a natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish for the customer. Going to be tuck pointing the arches on the top elevation now. Looking at doing some work to the fascia board and guttering. We've had some repair work done on the parcel where we've got the scaffolding up. Perfect time for the client to sort all that out for them. Lead work, looking at maybe possibly doing some lead work on the bay here as well. We're doing some window reveals, obviously where the builders have taken the render off, lost all the reveals, so we put all nice new reveals around the insides of the windows for the customer. And yeah, there's going to be lots of bricks to replace on this one. Unfortunately, when the builders took the Pebbledash off, they damaged a lot of the brick work, so it's always best to get professionals in to remove the Pebbledash or render before you're looking at doing any major work. So as you can see, lots of bricks to cut out and replace, but nothing we can't sort out. And yeah, we're going to make this look the best house on the street as always. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.